Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking on how to enable iPhone dark mode. To be able to enable iPhone dark mode, all you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Once you're in your phone settings, you scroll down, you move to display and brightness. You click on it. You can see the light and the dark. It's currently on light. For you to change it to dark, you click on dark. As you can see, my screen is currently on dark. You can also move it back to the light. You can increase the brightness and reduce the brightness to whatever you want. Let's move back to the dark mode. Currently on dark mode, you can set it to automatic. Once it's on automatic, it will automatically move to light mode if you are in a dark location, and it will automatically move to dark mode if you are in the light location. So that's it on how to set or enable an iPhone dark mode. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please do a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. See you guys in our next YouTube video. Thank you and God bless.